I'm making a little bit more than $1,000 a week right now, and it's because of TikTok. But not in the way you may think. No brand deals. I'm not selling a course. I'm not selling guides. I'm not selling templates. I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm doing this. And first, take a look at this. This is Robin. She is snuggled. Hi, buddy. I'm talking about you. Oh, you're so pretty. Hi, bud. I've had a long day. She was sitting on the other side of my bed a few minutes ago, and I said, Robin, I've had a long day. I could use a hug. And she got up and walked right over, and now she's sitting right next to me. That's pretty crazy. Anyway, so I've been making videos on TikTok for the last 6 years about day trading, swing trading, and investing. And it occurred to me that I'm doing what I'm doing right now really in part because of TikTok. And I'm learning, and we're all doing this together, and it's something that's really cool for someone who's been investing for over 20 years and trading stocks for more than 15. I never really dabbled in options. However, and this is something that my mom and I were talking about earlier today too, and if you're wondering why I've had a long day, it's because my 1985 Ford Bronco broke down. There it is. I don't know what's wrong. Anyway, this video is going to be a little bit all over the map in case you haven't guessed. I was talking to my mom, and I was telling her, oh, you're not going to believe this. The Bronco's back in the shop again. And she said, hey, I've been watching your videos on covered calls. Why did you start doing this? And I said, well, the reason that I started is actually because of TikTok. I've seen some videos from other content creators saying, oh, you can make $1,000 a week selling covered calls, and anyone can do it. And when you dig a little deeper, it's because that these people are buying stock in Tesla. They're buying 100 shares, and they're selling covered calls. And right now, with Tesla being as volatile as it is, you can sometimes make $900 a week. That is not something that is attainable for the average person. So it is a half-truth or a half-lie. Yes, that guy is making $1,000 a week. Yes, you can do it. But can the average American, can the average retail investor? No, I don't think they can. So I said, these videos are kind of a little bit misleading. Let me show you what is more attainable. And I made a video and I said, look at a stock like Rivian, which is similar to Tesla, electric vehicles. I know they're a little bit different, but you get the idea. Don't lose your temper. And I said, look, Rivian, it's, $1,400 a share, and the premiums are about $17 a week. So I said, if you're watching one of two videos, which video are you going to watch? Are you going to watch the video where some guy says, you can make $1,000 a week? Or are you going to watch the video where the guy says you can make $17 a week? Of course you're going to watch the one on $1,000 a week, but it doesn't really help you. So I said, this is just, what it looks like. So someone left a comment or someone asked something and they said, well, what if you got a little bit more money than $1,400, but you don't have $30,000 for Tesla? So I was like, oh, that's a good question. So I started looking at some of the premiums and I realized that HIMS, which obviously I don't use because I've lost my hair, HIMS has a pretty high premium. So I decided, God, I am tired. I decided that I'm going to start a series where I'm going to try to make $180 a week on selling one covered call on HIMS stock. Now, HIMS stock is around $50 a share right now, so it does cost a little bit of money. Yes, the strategy takes money to make money. If you have $5,000, you can make on average, $80 to $100, a week, $180 on these covered calls. And I said, well, I'm going to document this series now. And as the series grows, as I buy other stocks, I will document that as well. So this is my latest example. You can see that I've got HIMS. This is the 100 shares where I'm trying to do 180 a week. And this week I failed. I only made 80. But I bought another 200 shares where I made 322. I bought Oklo where I made 240. I bought Joby where I made 146. I bought Enphase where I made 245. Cost me $27,000, $455. I made $1,033 plus 177 from the profit of all of these positions because they were assigned. This one expires next week, so it might be assigned. But so, $1,033 plus another $177 in a week, not bad. Now you might say, well, I don't have $27,000. Okay, but the whole point of this is to say, look, on $5,000 I made $80. On $9,500 I made $322. On $5,600 I made $240. On $3,200 I made $146. On $3,900 I made $245. So you don't have to do all of it. You don't have to. I'm not saying everyone needs to put in $27,000, but look at all these different ones. You know, if you can afford 1 or 2 or 3 or something like that, you could make money. I'm not saying this is financial advice, and all these positions are going to change weekly with this series. But the whole point is this is all really because of of TikTok and these Tesla videos that these other content creators would make. I really wouldn't have been doing this. You know, my girlfriend said, why haven't you always done this? And I said, I was a day trader and a swing trader. I got used to trading a certain way and it worked for me, and I never really looked to try anything different because, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And what I was doing was working. And I literally only started this because I saw some other guys making some kind of misleading videos. So, hey, thanks TikTok. I'm going to bed.